And this week we've been learning the basics of Python. We also been reviewing how to use technical boards and how to power up LD lights.
But a lot of people don't know that they can actually be part of the Defense Department while not wearing the uniform and not being in the military itself, doing a lot of these STEM or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics type concepts, building and developing, implementing systems to our warfighter. A lot of different careers in the military, and so, or in the Defense Department on the civilian side. What this is trying to do is introduce that concept to the kids to understand, hey, if I go into these types of fields, there are jobs in the Defense Department that are plentiful, that pay well, doing things that they enjoy.
Latitude means up and down, if that's the best way. And here we also focus on the topic of AI very heavily, and we learned the basics of AI, and we've seen that AI can be practically anything, to an alarm clock, to a tablet, or Alexa. It was super duper fun.